Hey there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep. Today, we're diving into the critical aspect of investing in your maintenance team for peak facility operations. We'll explore how industrial maintenance training impacts technicians' performance and the dangerous cycle of constant emergency response without proper training. Stick around to learn how to identify facility issues, the role of maintenance training, and key indicators when your team needs a boost in their training. Let's get started. Investing in your maintenance team is a crucial element in ensuring your facility operates at its peak. Industrial maintenance training plays a significant role in how technicians carry out their work. Without adequate skills training or certifications, a facility could be trapped in a constant state of emergency response, never getting the chance to plan for the future. Facility problems can often be challenging to pinpoint due to the myriad of factors that can trigger emergency and reactive maintenance. However, we can identify trends throughout a facility and use these trends to train maintenance staff more effectively. Instead of thinking of this as addressing the skills my technicians lack, think of it as ways to prepare technicians better for the facility's needs. This is more an investment in technician skill than a deficiency in your employees. Maintenance training involves educating technicians through seminars and courses to ensure they become experts in their industry and maintenance program. These can come in many forms, from in-person training programs to online sessions. To become a maintenance technician, one should have a solid background in preventive maintenance and maintenance courses. This could take place during facilities management courses, trade school classes, vocational schools, community colleges, universities, or beyond. We recommend having a basic understanding of training curriculum in your area of specialty, which could include electricity, woodworking, roofing, HVAC repair, or reliability engineering. Now, how do you know when your maintenance team needs more training? There are a few indicators to consider. Firstly, look at the percentage of planned versus reactive maintenance, especially on a per-area basis. If one area of a facility is consistently performing 70 to 80% reactive maintenance, this could indicate a problem with assets or a lack of necessary training for technicians to perform their PMs. Secondly, it's crucial to look at trends within these reactive maintenance patterns. A facility might see 100 different reasons for reactive maintenance tasks, which isn't super helpful. But if there are one or two frequent reasons, they can diagnose a lack of training or knowledge. For example, if an asset consistently fails due to poor lubrication, the facility can identify a need for proper training of lubrication techniques and fix it. Lastly, the implementation of new assets, technology, or software is another sign. Too often, facilities implement something like a CMMS without worrying about the training, leading to nearly 80% of implementations failing. Training on new technologies is vital for making sure maintenance staff can even use them, let alone perform maintenance on them. The importance of maintenance training cannot be overstated. Many industry studies show that downtime can be significantly reduced with adequate training. For example, an electrical distribution equipment company projects that roughly 3/4 of unplanned shutdowns are caused by human mistakes. Now let's talk about the breakdown of maintenance training costs. Like many questions, the answer to this one is that it really depends on many factors. However, if you're looking for a world-class benchmark, you can aim for 4% of your total labor costs, which can be dedicated to training. You can calculate your average training cost per employee by simply dividing your total cost for training by the number of internal maintenance employees. Variations include looking at the measurements as a percentage of total maintenance costs, as well as divided by job classification, depending on how you want to view your data. When you're looking at your total training costs, you should include all the wages paid during training, as well as transportation, travel, registration, and other fees and material costs. Your maintenance employees should include all your direct, indirect, salaried, and hourly maintenance staff. The number and kind of training opportunities are numerous and varied. You definitely want to ensure that your maintenance team is trained on all safety requirements, including OSHA, LODO, and JSA. In addition, you may invest in leadership or managerial training for your maintenance managers, as well as in CMMS, software, and strategy courses. Organizations such as FMEA and RCFA offer certifications in reliability-centered maintenance. Maintenance technicians may benefit from technical skills training such as welding, balancing, and blueprint reading courses in addition to certifications in specific areas such as thermography and ultrasound. Many conventions and conferences also offer continuing education seminars and workshops that should be counted in overall training. Your actual training budget will need to be based on your unique number of maintenance employees as well as selected training courses and certifications. However, let's look at a possible example. Let's say you have a maintenance team that includes 1 maintenance manager, 3 maintenance shift supervisors, and a dozen maintenance technicians. Over the course of the year, you might spend $2,000 on safety training, $7,000 on hydraulic systems training, $1,000 on team building, $2,000 on CMMS training, and $4,000 for conference participation. That would average out to $1,000 of training expenses per year. If you have a total labor budget of $400,000, you'd be at world-class training expense levels. In conclusion, investing in your maintenance team training could have a long-term return on investment. In order to shift from reactive to preventive maintenance work orders, you need to equip your team members with the skills to prepare for utility issues before they arise. With a strong maintenance training program, you will be well on your way to becoming a leader in the maintenance and reliability industry. And that wraps up our video on the importance of investing in your maintenance team for peak facility operations. We've covered the role of industrial maintenance training, how to identify when your team needs more training, and how to calculate your training costs. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. For more resources and information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Until next time, keep investing in your maintenance team.